In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively remove a section from your Wix website. Whether you're tidying up your design or no longer need certain content, knowing how to remove sections can keep your website looking clean and professional. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to wix.com. Once you're there, log into your account to access your Wix dashboard. If you haven't yet created an account, you can do so by following the simple on-screen instructions to get started with Wix. Once you're logged in, go ahead and open the Wix editor. This is where all the magic happens as you customize and manage your website's design and content. With the Wix editor open, navigate to the page that contains the section you intend to remove. It's crucial to be on the right page as you'll be making changes directly to the layout. Take a moment to review the page so you're sure it's the correct one with the section you want to delete. Now, to make any changes, you'll need to select the section. Click directly on the section you wish to remove. When you do this, a blue outline will appear, highlighting the section, and a handy toolbar will pop up, giving you various options to modify the section. This visual confirmation ensures that you're about to edit the correct part of your page. Look for the More Actions icon on the section's toolbar. This icon is represented by 3 dots. Clicking on this icon will present you with a menu of additional options. From this menu, choose the Delete option. Selecting this will initiate the removal process for the highlighted section. Wix might prompt you to confirm the deletion. This prompt acts as a safeguard against accidental deletions, so if it appears, simply confirm that you wish to proceed with removing the section. And with that, the section will be deleted from your page, leaving room for more relevant or updated content. This process can help ensure your website remains concise and tailored to your latest needs. Plus, it contributes to an overall improved user experience for your site visitors. Removing unnecessary sections can make your site faster and easier to navigate, which is especially beneficial for keeping your audience engaged. Remember, changes in Wix are saved automatically, so there's no need to worry about losing your work. If for any reason you make a mistake, Wix's undo feature can be your best friend, allowing you to reverse recent changes. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to removing sections from your Wix website. With these steps, you're well equipped to manage your web pages efficiently. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Until next time, keep creating.